Well, my first reaction is what a lucky husband I am. That I have a wife na very protective sa akin na kahit na may nakita hindi magandang sinabi tungkol sa akin. Yan, talagang she gets very upset.
Hindi masisi ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. si First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos sa naging pahayag nito laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, natural lang sa isang asawa na masaktan o magdamdam kapag nakakarinig ng mga hindi magagandang salita laban sa kanyang mahal sa buhay. Sinabi rin ng Pangulo na tiyak namang nauunawaan ni VP Sara ang ganitong pakiramdam.
We cannot blame her. It will not affect our working relationship with the Vice President, Secretary of Education. I think that she also, as a wife, understands how the First Lady feels